Hi, I am Hema, and particularly I am 19-year-old married girl. Yes, you heard it right. But in this video, we will talk about some those kinds of things which I really experienced in this year. I literally don't able to say you that these are the five things that I experienced this year or learning this year. No, that's not. But I experienced those things, particularly not two things, particularly not five things. It could be any types of number. Uh, but I only want to share that if you are really take a step of forward in your life or take a step to go far in your life, you have to teach yourself. You have to uh, tell yourself that these are the things that are literally comes into your mind, comes in your life, whether it could be unexpectedly. So without any further delay, let's get started. The first thing, yeah, I know I am talking to in English. Whether you understand, yeah, but I am not influent. But I tried my best. The first thing that really matters in your life, that the people, that those people whose thinking literally contract suppressed, they are not able to thinking a box out of box literally. uh, they stop you for being forwarded, for being take a action of your life, for stops you to not go far in your life, right? Because it's their mindset, it's human tendency that the people who are literally below from you, according to their mind, according to your lifestyle, they are literally afraid to um, for being at lowest. They are literally afraid that you have not to take your life literally forward. आप आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते हैं, but those are the people you should have to be ignored. And this is not the main thing, this is not the particularly one main thing. There are so many people that comes to your in your life, your um, even your own family member, even the society, the main one, will talk bad about to you, that hey you are this, hey you are that, you are bad. But literally you have to don't listen to their words. Why? Because their thinking is literally very short according to your short dress. Because your dress is literally cover up all the body parts, but their thinking can't cover up your lifestyle or maybe your life. So I don't want to that उनके बातों को आप अपने लाइफ में असर करने दें, आप अपने लाइफ में आने दें. Because they are doesn't matter, because they doesn't feed you, they doesn't gives you money for spending your life or for spending your money in your life to being enjoyable, right? The second thing is, two people I think mainly in our life is the main thing. First one, the people, the society. The second one is our own self. If we literally want to start any kind of thing, it could be anyone. uh, just like the exercise, literally I am the person who used to be exercise few months ago, literally for 10 days in a row. But literally I am right now, I don't do any kind of exercise. Yeah, I regret each and every day, but due to the winter, due to the home chores, the literally I give an excuse of myself, but the winter, the जो कुहासा होता है ठंडा ठंडा, that's why I can't able to do push-ups exercise. But yeah, I have to say, and I have to replace this thing that I do home chores, I do household things that replaces my workout. But it doesn't really true, because if I want to get up and wake up and do exercise, then literally no one can stop me. but I literally woke up at 6 a.m. I know it's my bad habit, but what should I do? It's my habit. I can able to change a few days after. Maybe it's my life. I also change according to my own motivation, own feeling, own mindset whenever I wanted to start. So this is I literally take the raw self of myself. You will be say like खुद तो कुछ करते नहीं हो, चलिए आई हो मुझे ज्ञान देने के लिए. Yeah, I of course I say this is the main point you all ever you said, but literally I have to tell that मैं तो कर लूँगी, मुझे जब भी मन करे मैं अपने आप को अगेन स्टार्ट कर सकती हूँ. बट the main thing, you shouldn't have to listen the things of the char log, the society doesn't feed you, doesn't makes you feel happy. They always wanted to get fall to you. आपको लाइफ में गिराना चाहेंगे, राइट? सो यू हैव टू डिडंट टेक अ आइज माइंड टू यू. अरे उन्हें जलाना चाहिए, उन्हें लिटरली बैड फील करवाओ कि मेरे वर्ड्स इनको अफेक्ट नहीं कर रहे. हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल टू गेट? यू हैव टू try those things, do those things, have to done those things that literally crack them inside and literally break them inside, because at the end they are you and your only self that is only saves you from these kinds of people in our society. By the way, thank you, lots of love for watching till the end, and I hope you like it. Thank you so much. Bye.